I think I messed up. But don't worry, we've all been there. Burnt toast is a classic kitchen mishap that happens to the best of us. Why does burnt toast smell so bad, but grilled cheese smells so good? Let's find out. The answer lies in the fascinating world of food science. So, picture this. When you cook, you're like a mad scientist in the kitchen. Every ingredient you use and every technique you apply is part of a grand experiment. Adding heat to your food is like casting a magic spell. It transforms raw ingredients into something entirely new and delicious. First up, let's talk about why your bread becomes toast. It's a simple process, but there's a lot happening behind the scenes. It's all because of something called the Maillard reaction. Big word, right? This reaction is a complex chemical process that occurs when heat is applied to food. But all it means is that when heat hits the proteins and sugars in your bread, they start to change and give you that delicious golden brown color and yummy flavor. This reaction is responsible for the rich, complex flavors we love in toasted bread, seared meat, and roasted coffee. Ever noticed how cookies go from doughy to crunchy? That's chemistry, my friends. The transformation from raw dough to baked cookies is a marvel of science. When you bake, the heat makes the baking powder or baking soda produce gas bubbles, which makes your cookies puff up and get all crunchy. These bubbles are carbon dioxide, which gets trapped in the dough, causing it to rise and expand. Different cooking methods do different things. Each method brings out unique textures and flavors in your food. Boiling keeps your food moist and tender, while frying gives it a crispy crust. Boiling is great for vegetables and pasta, while frying is perfect for creating that irresistible crunch. It's like choosing different superpowers for your food. Each cooking method has its own strengths and can be used to achieve different culinary goals. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember, you're not just cooking, you're doing science. Every time you cook, you're conducting experiments and learning more about how heat changes food. Keep experimenting, have fun, and who knows? You might discover new techniques or flavor combinations that become your signature dishes. You might just create the next amazing dish. The possibilities are endless when you understand the science behind cooking. Catch you later, future chefs. Keep exploring, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep enjoying the process. And remember, the kitchen is your lab, and food is your experiment. Have fun with it and like and subscribe. Happy cooking!